How to remove the green screen in CapCut and PC. Hey everyone, today we are diving into the world of video editing and I'll show you how to remove the green screen in CapCut on your PC. Before we get started, make sure you have already imported your green screen footage and the background you want to use in CapCut. First, open your CapCut on your PCs and create a new project. Once you're in, click on import. You can also drag and drop. I'll click on import. I'll select this video and then click enter. Once done, I'll drag and drop the first video in the first layer and the green screen video on the second layer. And make sure it's above on the first video. I'll adjust it, and now as you can see, once the second video starts, the first video is not visible. Now let's remove the green screen. Here's the magic part. Select your green screen clip and make sure video is selected. Then you need to click on cutout, and here you need to search for Chrome key. Click on it. Once you click on it, now click on color picker and then bring it to your screen and select the green part. Once the green color is selected, with the Chrome key effect applied, you can fine tune it. Click on the green screen clip and you'll see Chrome key in effect panel. Adjust setting like strength and shadow. Let's do it. Now let's see the video again. Once you're happy with the result, it's time to export your video. Click export, choose your setting and hit export again. And there you have it. That's how you remove the green screen in CapCut on your PC. It's a powerful tool for creating amazing visual effects in your video. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it thumbs up and subscribe for more editing tips and tricks. Thanks for watching. If you have any question or if there's a specific tutorial you'd like to see in next video, let me know in the comments below. Until next time, happy editing.